Okay folks, welcome aboard the Royal Princess. As you see, we're leaving the pier now to start our cruise. Just as we leave the pier, by law, I'd like to give you some safety announcements. Nothing to alarm, just a the vessel Royal Princess is licensed by the MCA to carry 250 people. Safety equipment to the effect of life jackets, which are situated in the box seats on the top deck in the bar area. And in the last one, boat seats marked with degree stickers. All emergency exits, including marks and stripes, are open. We carry RFD on a frost, which can be launched automatically or manually by a member of crew. And we're in contact with all the emergency services
sometimes for the children, children to the world. Tivoli Garden, Breaktown, Bibo Corner, straight to Jennifer Charles, Anthropon, straight.
We get some girl there from the Rolex. You know that I'm
to alone make. Me Michael Jackson alone of this. Michael Jackson dead now, I'm alone of it. Michael dead, I'm alone. Come take it back from them so easily.
So now when I put the money in the breakfast right now, the stupid array or something like this.
Go set.
It's like a drop of ball. Ladies, come on!
Ladies, take it back from them so easy, Josie. My selfish.
Wow!
Me I run the thing now. Them are full white. I'm like an angel. Them take it back. White. I'm like the most black too. I'm like Simon like
Love myself.
Ladies, we must go give me some rap on them tune. You know you have a man that give me, I love you. Yeah.